It's a Gundam, a new model.
Well, welcome back, you absolute stellar legends, my fellow Neo-Zeonists. Wait, is that right? Neo-Zeonists? Neo-Zeonites. That sounds better. So today we are doing a unboxing of a new model that I picked up, and it's one of my most anticipated models to be building, and it is a Master Grade. And of course, we are talking about this bad boy right here, the Sinanju Master Grade by Bandai Namco. So this one set me back a good $100. I've been looking for it for a while, and my local Imaginaire got one copy, and I right away snagged it, and that was the only copy, and they haven't got this back in stock. So my official first actual model that I ever picked up for Gundam was the Sinanju Real Grade, and then I found this one. So I knew I needed to get both of them. So these are, it's one of the coolest looking Gundam out there in the hobby kits. So this is what it looks like on the side. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Other side. Now, as you guys can tell, red is one of my top favorite colors. Combine that with red and black, and you've got a killer combo, a killer trio on your hands. But I know this one's going to most likely take me quite a while to build. So I've built so far a Real Grade Wing Gundam, a no grade or full mechanic Raider Gundam from Gundam Seed, and a Iron-Blooded Orphan Barbados. And now this will be my first official actual Master Grade kit that I build. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys enjoy the video, please make sure you drop a like, subscribe to support the channel, check out the playlist. There's tons of stuff coming. It is summer, there's a lot of responsibilities, lots of housework. Even as a Shar, there is a lot of things that we have to do as adults, right? Until the Gundam wars begin. So please support my channel. It's a goddamn Gundam hobby channel. Gundam it. I very much appreciate it. And now with that out of the way, let's get to the actual unboxing of the Sinanju.
The most annoying and fearful enemy in the universe. The Gundams. It's a Gundam!
The Sinanju Mr. Grade. That's what the MG stands for, Mr. Grade. Because when you're this big, they call you Mr. How big is the Sinanju Master Grade? The Neo Zeon Sinanju? Well, for comparison, here is the box for the Real Grade Sinanju. So this one I'm going to save for a later video. I wanted this one to, this was officially the first model I ever bought for the Gundam. And then I realized how apparently complicated and poorly reviewed this awesome looking model is. So without further ado, let's start unboxing the Sinanju Master Grade. So here we have the top of the box. So most of my models get purchased from Imaginaire. So I live in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and this cost me $100 plus tax. And this is the side of the model. Very side as you could see. All right, can we focus? There we go, beautiful. So that's what the final product looks like. So I haven't opened this box yet, so I don't know what it looks like at all. So the other side, MSN 06 Sinanju Neo Zeon mobile suit, customized for new type. All right, and the other side of the box, Japanese all over the place. And we have a little figurine, or two figurines of Char. Is this Char Aznable? Let me know in the comments. I have not watched the Sinanju episodes yet. And actually, what series does the Sinanju appear in? Alright, and the other side. Alright, and now the most important part, the back side of the box. Very thick. The box is thick, boy. That's a thick ass box. Thank you, Mr. Knife. Isn't that a beauty? I prefer swords. All right. So, very ASMR. All right, so right away we are presented. Yeah, of course you gotta have one of these things because you don't want a $100 product stolen from your store. So we have some gold decals. So I'm ordering some gold markers. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the decals or if I'm gonna use the markers on it. All right, let's have a look at some of the plastic. So I did peek into the Real Grade Sinanju. So I gotta look at what the red looks like. So this seems like a much deeper red than the Real Grade. You know what? I might as well show at least that. And it's actually a perfect comparison because we have a direct color comparison and quality comparison. So if you look at the shield, you will see some marks on it. I don't know if this is stress marks from the molding of the plastic, like over here. But you don't see that as much on the Real Grade. And the Real Grade seems more like a candy coating for the red. And I actually do prefer the Real Grade. Yeah, the Real Grade coating. All right, so, but it's still a very nice, deep, dark red. I don't know, maybe if I ever get into airbrushing, I'll use some red chrome. All right, then here we have the Gun Runner. Very gun. Gundam it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have any of you guys built either Sinanju, Real Grade, or Master Grade? All right, and then we have, I think this goes on the side of the shield. And I think you can also give him an axe instead of a sword. So this is a lot more yellow. They call me Yellow Mellow. Right. They call me Yellow Mellow. They call me Mellow Yellow. One of those lines is correct. Let me know in the comments. Alright, so I'm not sure which part this is, but they do seem to be very decent sizes. So I've already assembled a high grade in the Iron-Blooded Wolves Barbados, a real grade that I'm starting to put the stickers on, Wing Gundam, a full mechanics or no grade Raider Gundam, and the next one I'll be building is an official Master Grade, because you guys don't consider the full mechanics a Master Grade. Alright, so more parts for the gun, and this is for the fuselage, I guess. But I thought it was supposed to be white. We can always fix that. Alright, we got some parts over here. I'm not sure what these are. They look like rails. So they could be like rail spikes. We got some more red. So the red on this is definitely has a much more matte finish. Oh, and here we have the standing char, and here we have the sitting char. Very small, very detailed. For size comparison, my pinky nail. Some parts seem to have a bit more of a shine to them, so yeah, this is definitely part of the helmet. Sorry if you guys hear Greek music in the background, but I am Greek and we do have Greek company. So we have two other runners in red. So I'm not sure if this is part of the skirt or if this is part of the chest. Now there's quite a bit of parts, man. So I wonder how long this one's going to take. And I'm going to be picking up a pair of God Hand nippers. Alright, so we have some more decals. Even though this is a Master Grade, they're still pretty small freaking decals. Alright, so this part's going to go on the shield. So it's got like a semi-gloss matte finish. Not terrible, but the Sinanju looks like he would have definitely done better with the more of a shine finish. Man, so many bags. Okay, so we pretty much saw this before, so this is obviously the other side. Like maybe the left side of the arms or the legs, whatever. Building. So if you guys are enjoying the video, please do me a solid Gundam favor and click like and subscribe. Alright, so we have identical pieces here. So left side, right side. Alright, so we got the white parts. Okay, so this is the fuselage for the back. And here we have some runners. Okay, so these go on the shoulders from what I'm seeing on the picture. Okay, the book is at the bottom. I was like, where the heck is the book? All right, so these are some, yeah, these are smaller details, so they're gonna go, from what I'm seeing on the box, around the skirt and the chest. So hope you guys liked the intro of the video with a slightly cosplaying Char Aznabel. Alright, so this is obviously the back of the shield. Okay. Man, some surprisingly large parts. Okay, so these are generally things like for the shoulders and whatever that used to be made in PVC. Yes, we have some. Okay, so this one is what I was talking about before regarding if you want to make an axe, and then you would put the translucent yellow part around that. All right, see some caps for the shoulders, most likely. Awesome. So we have some. All right, so one thing I did peek. The Real Grade seems to have had some gold parts, whereas for this one, the gold parts are a sticker. So kind of takes away from it. So this is what we usually start with, but the book was at the bottom of the box. So let's wrap up the video by looking at the inner workings. Oh, and it's a black and white book. Why black and white? We live in a color world. I wonder if the Real Grade is in color or if it's also black and white. So we have the body, we have the head, full of heady goodness, the right arm and the left arm. Check your shoulders. Let me know if you guys have both a right arm and a left arm. If you're missing one, that's all right. If you're missing both, that's all right. I'll still give you a thumbs up. We got the upper body. So we got the legs over here. All right, so it does look like we assemble an inner frame. You could definitely see that from the legs at the bottom over here. Yeah, I figured as much that the legs were giving me the most work. Ah, beautiful. Finally, we have full color in Technicolor. All right, so 1 point step before after. If you could read Japanese, there it is. To me, they both look identical. And then if you guys want to paint your char, you have the color coding over here. And for some posing reference, Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn. So is this a unicorn? And we have some other models on the bottom. I was contemplating getting the Sazabi, but it's really expensive. But we'll see. Hopefully if the channel succeeds, does better, I can get more and more models. I've already gone overboard. I have like a total of like 12 models already now. And I'm picking my 12th one up tomorrow. And we have the accessories, the beam rifle, the beam axe, the bazooka. Awesome. Right, and here we have the sticker reference. So many stickers. Look how cool this looks, man. All right, beautiful. All right, so this is gonna be the next model I build, my 4th one. So that way we have a high grade, a real grade, a no grade, and a master grade. So I really appreciate you guys giving me some of your time today. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a Gundam thumbs up, subscribe, check out the playlist, come back for the next video, and I appreciate you guys watching another episode of It's a Goddamn Gundam Hobby Channel video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Gundam it. Stay stellar.